Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can change your Wattpad password. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. If you are on your desktop, open any web browser that you are comfortable with. Now here I am going with Google Chrome, and on the search URL search for wattpad.com. After that you will see this interface, and then at the top right corner of your screen you will see login option. So click on there, and in here a dialog box will appear. At the bottom you will see forgot password. Click on there. After that you have to enter your username or your email at this empty box that says username or email. So simply provide your email. Once you're done, click on send instructions. Now you have to check your Gmail. So go and open your Gmail, then you will receive a Gmail from Wattpad to recover your password. And in here click on reset my password. Now enter your new password and then confirm your password. Once you're done with that, again click on reset password, and now you have successfully recovered your password and you're directly logged into your Wattpad account. You can also go through the same procedure on your mobile phone on the Wattpad app as well. That's all for today. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon, and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.